Hello! To be clear, look at this. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the CPI just came over and we're still up, okay? So inflation is still strong, the economy is still strong, and the Fed is going to raise interest rates. So be careful because everyone is looking for a pivot. If we have a pivot tomorrow, the market is going to wonder, whoa, well, that's kind of strange because the economy is still strong. So you're not going to see a pivot anytime soon. If you see a pivot later on, after you start seeing a decline in the economy, which is going to happen, then the market is going to say, oh, wait a second, things are really bad because now the Fed is actually lowering rates. Be careful out there.